Welcome back to another podcast. Today we are gonna talk about Skibidi Toilet. First of all, this is my first time on the podcast day one. I only will do podcast on the weekends. So as your personal podcast therapist, we're here to talk about Skibidi Toilet. So Skibidi Toilet started with episode 1 when there was a Skibidi Toilet where there was a head in a toilet. So there is also a cameraman. The cameraman is introduced back in the 60s, 90s because they were so cool. So I think that's all about Kim Toilet. Then there's also the speakerman. Speakerman is inspired by cameraman. Cameraman was so famous back then because Pab, you're the cameraman. Cameraman never die. Then when the skip to toilet and the camera fight, first of all, for the skip to toilet to get flushed down or be defeated, you have to pull the plug on them. So there's a lot of type of skip to toilet. So this is a short video. We have to end the podcast. So that's all for today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe to bring below 1, 2, 3. And goodbye guys.